Hello friends, today we are going to learn about how to do on page of any blog or any page. By the end of this video, you will be the complete master of doing on page of any blog or any page on your website. Before going to the WordPress dashboard, let me show you what are the keywords which we are going to use and how do I write, what is my writing process for the content for any blog. So let me just show you. So as you can see, this is my format of means finding keyword. As you can see, first of all I made the heading, then after that I have written the subheadings, what will be the subheading, and after that I have listed all the keywords which will be in my like blog. And as you can see, this is my focus keyword, and I have means use this focus keyword 40% in my blog, so that it my blog should rank for this keyword. And you can see, and in that also I have picked some of the reference blog also, so that I can take idea from these blog about this topic. So this is my keyword searching and my sheet, and let's directly go to our content. So as you can see, this is my content, and the yellow part which is marked are the keywords which I have researched. And this blog is around of 2000 or maybe 2500 words, so it is a very long blog. So now let's directly go to our dashboard. So this is the post. As you can see, I have already added my post, means with the image. I have used couple of image over here. Now let's directly do optimization. First of all, what you have to do is, like, whenever you are writing a blog, your focus keyword should be in the title. So right now my focus keyword is here. So, and your focus, first of all, try to enter your focus keyword in a that focus keyword section of any plugin. Right now I'm using rank math plugin. Whatever plugin you are using, that functionality is available. You can put the focus keyword in this section. So let me just put my focus keyword over here. Now as you can see, our SEO score is 65. As you can see, there is no internal linking over here, there is no external linking over here. So what we have to do is, like, first of all, what we can do is, like, let's optimize our image. Now we have to use alt tag over here. So what we will do is, like, this image is about video marketing. So what we will do is, like, video marketing, whatever your focus keyword is, you should be using that thing in the alt tag. Now let's optimize this thing. Okay, now we have one more image, that is influencer marketing. So influencer. Okay, so now our image optimization has been done. We have already used our focus keyword. You can always make a sentence around using focus keyword. So now what we have to do is, like, we have to give external link to our blog. So this is one link. So almost like I have given 4 or 5 external link here. You can give at least 2 external links, so that your blog authority increase domain. Now what we have to do is, like, we have to give internal link also. Here we will give internal links. Let's just see what we have to do is, like, now we have to give a proper heading over here. So let's just copy this heading from here. Let's paste it. Okay, now let's give a permalink over here. So the permalink will be your focus keyword. So let's copy our focus keyword and paste it over here. And now we have to write a short description. So let me write it. In this blog we are going to explain about the digital marketing strategy for any ad tech company, and we we have mentioned top we have mentioned 10 best digital marketing strategy. Okay, now let's just close it. So as you can see, our optimization has been done and our score is of 89. That is a great number. And that can be also increased to 90% also if we use the table of content. For that, I will be making a separate tutorial like how to add table of content automatically using a plugin. Let's just add a thumbnail over here and make it published. So and always try to add the keyword in your image alt tag also, and means in the title also. Now let's just publish it. Now it is good. So let's see our design. How beautiful it is looking. See, we have this one. So hope you enjoy watching this detailed tutorial video on page SEO. If you have any confusion, you can always leave in the comment below. Thank you.